Hello, Hull class. It's maths time again, and today we're thinking of fact families, and we're thinking of the 8 facts. A fact is something true. Let's have a little look. Before we do, let's do one of our recaps. Number 1, what is 1 less than 9? So not what comes after 9, but what is 1 less than 9? 1 smaller than 9? 8. Well done. What is this number on the dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a 6, isn't it? Take away 5. 6. Take away 5. That's just 1 left. Number 3. If 3 add 7 equals 10, then 7 add 3 equals... that's when we switch those numbers around, isn't it? So 3 and 7, or 7 and 3, we still get 10. Number 4, what number is missing? So we've got 8 as our whole, and we've got 2 parts of the cherry diagram to finish. So we've got 5 in one of the parts. So if the whole was 8, and we know that one of the parts is 5, the other part must be 3, mustn't it? Okay. Do you remember what a fact family is? Now, we started these in class a little while ago. Let's have a look at this cherry diagram. You can see that the whole number 7 can be made from 4 and 3. There's lots of other ways you can make number 7, but in this diagram we're using the numbers 4 and 3 to total 7 altogether. Okay, let's have a look. So this little person's saying, I can write 4 facts. Ooh, and that's what they've written. Let's have a look. So they've said 4 add 3 equals 7. That's true. Then they've switched around the 3 and the 4. 3 add 4 is 7. That's true. Then they've started with the whole number. 7 equals 4 add 3. Yes, it does. And 7 equals 3 add 4. Yes, it does. So we did a little bit of that in class. I hope you can remember. It's time for you to have a think. So here we've got another cherry diagram. We've got 4, and then the 2 parts are a 1 and a 3. So 4, take away 1, we still got 3 left, haven't we? So if we took away this part here, we'd still have 3 left. Let's have a go at this one. So if we had the same cherry diagram, but this time if we took away the 3, we start with 4, we take away 3. How many would we have left this time? Yes, we'd have the 1 left. What is the same and what is different? Well, the same is the whole number, isn't it? The whole number is 4. The same are the 2 parts, a 3 and a 1, or a 1 and a 3. The difference is the part that we choose to take away. Okay, here's a 10 frame. I can see 6 red counters and 4 yellow counters, can you? And I know that that 10 frame is complete, it's full, and I know that 6 add 4 is 10. What I could do is switch those numbers around, so I could start with the 4 yellow and then add my 6, and I'd still have 10. I could start with all of the 10, there they are, and I could decide to take away either the 6 red or the 4 yellow. I think I'll take away the 4 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10. Take away the 4 yellow equals 6 red. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Maybe I could have started with the 10 and taken away the 6 red first, and then I'd have had 4 yellow. Okay, here's some fact families and some facts about this diagram. So we've got the whole number of 10, and then we've got the parts of a 6 and a 4. So we've got 6 add 4 is 10, 4 add 6 is 10. 10 take away 4, this part here, is 6 left. And 10 take away the 6 part, and we've got the 4 parts left. What do you notice? Well done. You can see that the 10, the whole amount, is at the end of the first 2 facts, but it's at the beginning of the next 2 facts, isn't it? Did you see that? Ah, got some very pretty flowers. I can see some blue or purple ones and some orange ones. I'm going to count the blue ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see 5. 2 orange and 5 blue. And altogether, I know that 5 and 2 more is 5, 6, 7. Ah, there's the whole number. I know, I could change round the 2 and the 5, couldn't I? So I could start with the blue flowers this time. Yes, I will. 5 and the 2 orange flowers, and I've still got 7 altogether. And then, so I've got to start this time with my whole number. So my whole number is 7. Okay, and I'm going to take away the 5 first of all. So take away the 5 blue, and that will leave me with the 2 orange flowers. I could start with the 7 again. This time I could take away the 2 orange first, and then I would be left with the 5 blue. If you know these, then you know some more facts as well. Have a little think. Look at the first number sentence here. 2 add 5 equals 7. If we know this is true, then we also know that 7 equals 2 add 5. Look at the second one. We also know that 7 equals 5 add 2. What else do we know? Have a think. What about this next one? 7 take away 5 equals 2. So 2 is the same as 7 take away 5. And 5 is the same as 5 equals 7 take away 2. It's your turn. So I want to see if you can complete all of these number sentences. So there's going to be 4 on this side, and then be very clever and think what you know about the 4 on this side. Maybe start with this side first. So it looks like you've got some fruit, some apples and some bananas, and you're going to add up how many you have in total. Remember, you could put the bananas first and then the apples and switch them round, and then start with all of the fruit, so the whole number, and take away maybe the bananas first. How many apples are left? Then the same again, take away the apples first. How many bananas are left? And when you've finished this first part, see what else you know because of it. When you've done it, pause the video now, but then come back and check your work. Off you go. Okay, how did you do? Are you ready to check your answers? This is what I got. If you did well, that's fantastic. You should be very proud of yourself. If you did some of it and then you found the other parts a bit tricky, keep working hard, okay? The more you practice with things like this, then the easier it all is. All right, that's all for today, Hull class. I'll see you tomorrow for some more maths. Bye.